Hey everyone, let's take a look at how to set up notifications in SEON. Now, to do this, you should go to the My Account page and then to the Notifications tab at the top. You can choose to set up notifications based on transactions or whether rules are triggering. Now, for this example, I'm going to go the rule route. So I'm going to turn on the applied rule notification for a specific rule where the user's address does not match their shipping address. I selected this, and then I can choose to be notification either based on a regular time period, which can be daily, weekly, or monthly, or I can choose to be notified every, let's say, 10 or 5 times this rule is triggered. You can also set this up for multiple different rules within the system. Important to keep this in mind. Whenever you set up a notification, you will always receive that to the email address that you're registered to SEON with. I hope this was helpful. See you soon.